Lose 5 pounds in one night using this magic weight loss drink. Lose 5 pounds in one night using this magic weight loss drink that gets you almost instant results. If you have been trying to lose some water weight, this drink will help you accomplish your goal. Losing weight fast can be done at home if you have the right weight loss tools in your arsenal. Note, this drink should not be consumed for more than 2 months. We also recommend that if you are on any blood-related or blood pressure medications, you should consult your doctor before starting this drink just to be safe. For this drink to be effective, you will need to follow a strict diet that is very low in calories and also incorporate at least 30 minutes of exercise into your daily routine. Ingredients: half of a banana, 1 teaspoon of ground almonds, half a cup of almond milk, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, half of a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Preparation: add all of the ingredients above into a high-speed blender and blend into a smoothie. Drink this mixture in the morning and skip breakfast. Also, drink a glass before bedtime and make sure to skip dinner to prevent added calories. Consuming this weight loss drink daily will help you shed stubborn fat fast. Ananas are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which helps improve your digestive health and speed up your metabolism to help you burn fat throughout the day. Fiber is also great in keeping you feeling full during the day, which prevents overeating. Conclusion: there you have it. Now you can lose 5 pounds in one night using this magic weight loss drink. If you liked this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and also take a second to subscribe this channel for more helpful weight loss tips and remedies.